So, ngayon lang ulit ako nakabalik dito sa South Coast in Lian, Matabungkay, Lian, Batangas. So, as of today, dito pa rin yung temporary access natin from National Highway going to South Coast. Welcome back to another video. So, again, this is Ivy Kathleen, your architect/property specialist. And right now, andito po ako sa South Coast. And if napanood nyo na po yung video ko before for South Coast, I think 2021 ko pa siya na i-upload. So, ito yan. Bali ngayon po, may mga update na tayo dito sa site. So, in terms of construction and yung mga availability, of course, syempre, marami na pong na-sold from before. And right now, so ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga available lots na lang dito sa South Coast. Everyone, this is how South Coast looks like right now. So ito yung main gate, yan. So I went from there and then ayan na po siya ngayon. So that's the beach area. So nandiyan yung clubhouse and all. So yung mga amenities, mostly ng amenities ay nandoon sa side na yon. And then ayan. So ayan, this is how South Coast looks like right now. So compared dun sa video ko from 2021, so wala pa halos road networks noon, or meron pero wala pang mga sidewalks. And right now, ayan, so very visible na okay, ayos na po yung mga sidewalks. Ayan. Okay, so based from the availability today, so yung meron po tayong mga available lots dyan, along dyan sa perimeter ng subdivision. So if you can see this line, yan, yung fence na yan. So meron po tayong available lots dyan sa area na yan. So that's block 7, yan, under block 7. So mostly ng available lots ngayon dito sa South Coast ay along doon sa perimeter fence. So that goes from this portion up to dyan sa likod. So miikutan ko ngayon yung mga available lots dito sa block 7 in phase 1. Ayan, so ito, this portion, so available pa po yan. And right now, hindi pa tapos yung road networks. So supposedly another road here sa area na yan, road, and then ito corner lot. So yan, available po yung corner na yan. So dito sa portion na to, ginagawa pa or ongoing pa yung construction ng sidewalks. Dito po sa portion na to, meron I think somewhere here. So yan, meron po dyang available na inner lot, 332 square meters. So kapag andyan kayo sa gitna, ayan, makikita nyo pa rin yung dagat. So that's the view. Kung makikita nyo, yan, sinum in ko. So ito, dagat na po yan. So as I have mentioned nga po kanina, mostly ng available lots here sa block 7 ay along perimeter lot or perimeter fence. So if you can see the fence, so ayan na po yung perimeter fence. So yan, halos lahat po dito sa block na to available pa. Nagre-range naman po yung mga lot area dito ng the smallest cut would be 318 square meters sa block na to, and the biggest cut is 608. So yan, mula rito papunta doon. So yan, along perimeter fence, marami pa pong available na lot. And next is this block. So this is block 15. So dito naman po sa block 15, so yan, meron ditong available lot. So, 379 square meters. Sa likod niya is 397. And, corner lot po. Corner lot, 342 square meters. So, and then, dito pala sa portion na to, if I'm not mistaken, dito siya sa part na yan, or dito, meron itatayong condo here in South Coast. And then, yung iba pang available lots is somewhere there sa likod nung gagawing condo and doon pa sa part na yan. So, ayan, dyan. May available doon, dito rin. And mostly, yun nga, yung along sa perimeter fence. And right now, guys, I'm standing here in fronting Block 16. So, if okay, ito, nasa likod ko yung Block 16. Okay, Block 16. So, we have many available lots here. So, ito naman yung magiging view ninyo. Yan. That's your view kapag dito kayo nag-purchase sa Block 16. Here, Block 16, merong available lots dito sa portion na to and meron din dun sa likod na part. Kaya lang, dun sa kabilang part ng block, so, mas mababa naman na siya compared dito. Okay, so for now, ikutan lang natin yung ibang part. South Coast Phase 1. So, right now, bababa naman po ako doon sa labas. So, that's Phase 1A upper and lower. So, magkabilang side siya. May sariling access, Phase 1. If you want the barangay or public beach access, Phase 1A upper and lower. And meron din po tayo dito. So, if you decided to avail here and to invest here in South Coast, so meron po silang architectural design style. So, for South Coast, Hampton style po yung design or architectural design ng mga feature houses here. So, I'll show you an example. So, ito yan. This is how Hampton style looks like. Yan yung mga possible design na pwede nyong ipagawa kapag dito po kayo nag-invest kay South Coast. Yan. So, let's go naman po kay Phase 1A upper. Kung nakita nyo yung guy na nakamotor, so yung road na yon, that is the barangay access. So, dyan kayo dadaan. Doon kayo bibili kay Phase 1A upper at gusto nyo pumunta sa public access ng dagat. So, dito po kayo dadaan sa barangay road na yan. Dire-diretso lang po dyan. Construction progress here in Phase 1A upper. pong available na lot dyan. That's block 23. So, along perimeter fence. So, ayan. Actually, meron din po dito. And meron din somewhere pa doon sa dulo. Ayan. Okay, so in terms naman po ng price list, so right now, meron na po silang price increase. So actually, nakailang price increase na po for South Coast. So yung for phase 1, ang smallest cut po na available, 306 square meters, while yung biggest cut naman po na available ay 584 square meters. So for inner lots, ang price po natin as of today is inner lot po 14,000 per square meter, and yung corner naman po 14,560 square meter. So ayan. So for phase 1A upper naman po, yung smallest cut na available ay 120 square meter, yung biggest cut naman po 282 square meter. And for phase 1A lower, yung smallest po 158 square meter, then yung biggest cut naman po is 386 square meter. And for the price naman po, for phase 1A upper and lower, so 11,000 pesos naman po per square meter. Yeah. And that's it guys for today's video for South Coast update. So I hope nagustuhan ninyo how does South Coast looks like right now. So anyways, yun nga, if you are interested in investing or in availing here at South Coast, so I'll be providing my contact details below. Again, this is Ivy Kathleen, your architect/property specialist, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!